Hello and welcome to this easy texture pack tutorial where I will show you how you can get started with making texture packs by showing you this on simple examples like you see those right at the back of my recent PvP/Bed Wars texture pack. So with that, I will show you the few easy steps how you can create your own texture pack for any Minecraft version. With that, have fun with the video. So as a first step, we want to first download a default texture pack where we have all of the default textures of Minecraft. So we open our browser and just simply click the link in the description and it will take you to this website. There we have to scroll down a bit until we have this window right here. And now we can just simply select our version. Let's take 1.17 and it will automatically download it to your downloads files. Let's open them right here. And here we have it. Let's just simply copy it and paste it onto our desktop. So now we have it right here. We can now first rename it to anything we want. And if we open this, we first have this thing, which is just a link. We can just simply delete it. Now we have three things: assets, we will look at this in a bit of time, pack.mcmatter and pack.png. If we open pack.png, we see that it is the logo that will appear on the resource pack menu. So you can just simply upload anything you want in here, something you pixeled yourself or just any kind of picture. I'll be a bit egoistic right here and just simply use my channel profile. So I rename it into pack.png right here, and now we can just simply drag it into here, copy and now if we open it, we should see that we got this new picture right here. So that's the first step done. Now we take pack.mcmatter and drag it onto our desktop so we can easily edit it by double clicking it. Now here we have the pack format. Pack format is just the version the texture pack is for, so Minecraft can recognize this. And now we have the description. Just simply delete what is within these right here and write anything we want. For me it's just by magic block craft every single time. And then you can just simply save it. Now you open your texture pack again and drag it back into there. Now we can delete it from here. Now we are finally finished and can get working on the actual textures. Double tap on assets, it will take you to this. We can just simply delete realms and texts. This can take a while. And now we have Minecraft. Here we have a bunch of things. For making a texture pack, only two of them really matter: models and textures. You need models if you want to override anything, but as this is a beginner tutorial, you can delete it for now as well. So we can delete everything except of textures. This can take a while as well. So once all of that is done, we see that we only have textures left in here. If we open it, we have block and item. So block is for all of the textures that are on the side of a block, and item is of course textures for 2D items you can hold in your hand. So now we have to find the block we actually want to retexture. Let's redesign, I don't know, wool. So let's search for wool. And let's simply take the magenta wool for now. So we just simply copy it onto our desktop. So we have it right here. And now we can go into the process of retexturing it. So for that you go onto another website in the description, pixelart.com. It's a free pixel art website where you don't have to create an account, you just have to click on start drawing. And here you should be left with something like this, but it doesn't really matter because you just have to click on file, open photo, and now select magenta wool.png. Open. Now you have to allow this, and here you see we just have a 16 by 16 wool texture. So we can now start retexturing it. We have basic tools here at the side like pencil tool, eraser tool, brush tool, square tool, bunch of options. It's basically just a drawing, painting program, just as an online function. So I will just simply put a time lapse in here as I customize this texture, because that's pretty self-explaining. So once you're done, this is now just a pretty basic texture. You can obviously take this to another limit if you take more time, but I just wanted to take like 2 minutes for this. So you now click on File, and now on Export Download. It will take you to this. Now we have some options right here. You can change the pixel rate of this, so 1 pixel gets 2 by 2 pixel and stuff like that. It doesn't really matter. And now you can just simply download .png. It will download into your downloads folder. And here we have it. So now we have to grab the name of the old texture, and by click renaming we can basically just copy it and now rename this and hit enter. So we now have magenta wool.png. We can delete this. Now we have to get our resource pack. Once we got the resource pack right here on our desktop, we can open it, go into assets, Minecraft, and textures, and as this is a block texture, we go into block. Now we can just simply drag it into here, and now we want to just copy and paste it right into here, so the current file gets overwritten. Now we can close this, and the texture is now inside of your texture pack. So obviously you can make way more textures, and you can also delete all of the textures you haven't changed. But yeah, if you want it, you can do it. It's not really mandatory. So now if we go out of it, we have to just simply put our texture pack into Minecraft. So how to do this, I will show you right now. So you press Windows R on your keyboard. It will take you to this window where you have to type in updated percentage and hit OK. It will open your rooming folder. Here you have to select .minecraft. Scroll down until you find resource packs. Open it, and now you have to drag it into here. And now we see it's right here. So now we can head into Minecraft and load the texture pack in there. So once we are in Minecraft, we can just simply click on single player or multiplayer to try it out. Use single player, it's just my recommendation. And go into any world we like. Let's take this one. And once we are in our world, we can get ourselves the block we changed. This is magenta wool. So we have the original texture right here, and now we hit ESC on our keyboard to get to this, and then go to options, resource packs, and now scroll down until we find the one we want. It's just texture tutorial right here, and now we click on this arrow and click on done. Now it takes us to this load page. Depending on how big the texture pack is, it takes longer. And now we see the changed texture in game. So yes, that is everything. As this is a beginner tutorial, I won't go over custom skies. And if you want to add 3D textures, you can also check out the video down in the corner. But now you know how to create some basic texture packs with 2D textures. And I hope you liked this video, because if you did, leave a like. Maybe also subscribe. 50 subs, release of the Bad Wars texture pack from the beginning of the video. And with this rain, I will see you in the next video.